Ah, the lovely Silver Saver bar, made by Vulcan 5678. But I don't want a Silver Saver bar. Don't get me wrong, these bars are beautiful. Hand-poured, polished and engraved with Silver Saver by the very talented Vulcan 5678. But you see, back in April of this year, Silver Saver already sent me a gift. It was a beautiful card filled with historical information about the American Buffalo silver dollar and a copy of the silver dollar, which was actually my very first 1 troy ounce silver round. So since I already have received a gift from Silver Saver, I think the bar should go to another member of this awesome community. By the way, for those of you that are not subscribed to Silver Saver, which I find very hard to believe, the link is in the description. She's a lovely lady with great content. Bye for now.